Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert the USDT to DAI. It's quite easy to get this done. We're going to be working with the MetaMask wallet for this tutorial video. So once you've opened up your MetaMask wallet, make sure you're on the BNB Smart Chain because that is where I have my USDT stored. And one thing you need to take note is if you're converting from the USDT to the DAI, whatever network each of these tokens exist on becomes one. So basically, if you're sending USDT or converting USDT on the BNB Smart Chain into DAI, the DAI then becomes BNB Smart Chain DAI. So guys, that's how you can simply go about it. Now, to be able to convert your USDT to DAI, you simply have to add the DAI token on MetaMask. So click on the import option and simply search for DAI, that's DAI. If you cannot find DAI on the Smart Chain network, all you need to do is simply click on custom tokens, minimize and open up your Chrome browser. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Scroll down till we have the contract address area, click on more and copy the Smart Chain wallet address. So once you've done this, minimize and open up MetaMask, paste the contract address here or the token address. Once you've pasted the token address, the token symbol and a decimal would then be entered automatically. So simply click on import. And once you've selected import, the DAI token has been imported to our wallet. So now in order to convert this USDT into the DAI, you're going to need to have some BNB Smart Chain. So make sure you have some Smart Chain BNB on your wallet. Otherwise, the transaction is not going to be possible as the network, like I mentioned before, we are working on is the BNB Smart Chain. So you're going to need some BNB Smart Chain tokens. So guys, in order to swap, scroll down and select the USDT. And once you've selected the USDT, where we have the swap option, click on swap, enter the token, which is the DAI token. So simply search for the token, DAI. Once you've pasted the contract address, click on the DAI. Now enter the amount you wish to swap. So let's say I want to use all of my USDT. Simply click on get quotes and it begins to fetch quotes. And now all you need to do is simply swipe to swap your USDT to the DAI token. So simply swipe it. And the swap has been completed. You simply reload to confirm. You could confirm this by scrolling down and selecting the DAI BEP2. So once you've selected the DAI BEP2, you'd find that the DAI BEP2 is now here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.